Now we'll see some assorted techniques, some different techniques in mathematics. Okay. Now in that we'll first see fractions. Now fractions are really not that easy to understand. Even the people who are even fast in mathematics, sometimes they get confused with fractions. We'll first understand what is the use of fractions. Okay, right. Fractions are better understood with pictures than numbers. Okay, I'll tell you what is a fraction. Now assume I'll say there are 3 circles there. Okay, how many circles are there? 3 circles. What do you call the next one? Is it a full circle? It's not a full circle. So 3, maybe it's probably 3 by 4, we call it, or if I put something like this, you say 3.5 circles and so forth. Okay, so 3 we can understand, we can write whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, you can go up to like that. But less than 1, what do you call that? Well, that's called fraction. Fraction means always less than 1. Fraction means always a part of a given thing. Okay, a part of a whole. Whole is like, there's a whole, W-H-O-L-E, okay. It's a whole, okay. And a part of the whole is called a fraction. Fraction is always less than 1. See, this is 1 circle. And what is this circle? It's a half circle, so it's less than 1 circle. Got it? So fractions are the numbers which are less than 1. Okay. So now we'll try to learn more in fractions, additions and fractions and subtractions and fractions and so forth. Okay, now you must understand that basically fractions are 3 types. Okay, first one is called a proper fraction. Proper fractions are always less than 1. For example, I write a number something like this. If I write 1 by 2 or 3 by 4. Okay, so these are fractions. Okay, here the numerator will be less and the denominator will be more. Okay, so these are proper fractions. Proper fractions are always less than 1. There is also something called improper fraction. Improper fractions are actually whole numbers written in the form of a fraction, like something like this, like 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is actually 2, see, you can divide. Now mind you, fraction is nothing but divisions. So 10 divided by 5, you get 2. Now 2 is a whole number. Improper fractions are whole numbers. They are written like fraction, but they are not proper fractions. They are improper fractions. Or a number something like this, something like 6 by 3. Here, numerator will be more, denominator will be less. Okay, opposite of proper fraction. There is also one more fraction called the mixed fraction, which is combination of proper fraction and improper fraction, something like this. 12, 1 by 2, 12 and a half, that means 12 circles and a half circle. Okay, it's given something like that. Got it? So fractions, it understands proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So mixed fractions are combination of like proper fraction and improper fraction.